Hey guys, today I'll show you how to decorate and frost this Biscoff cake. To start off, place a dollop of frosting on your cake board so that way the cake won't slide off while you're frosting it. Then place a ring of frosting around your cake so that way it'll hold everything in place. I filled my cake with some whipped cream and Biscoff crumbs. Then you can place the next layer of cake on. Repeat the same step with the frosting, but instead of whipped cream, I filled mine with Biscoff spread. If you've never had it before, it tastes exactly like the cookie, but in a spread. Right here, I'm just making sure none of the filling spills out. Then repeat the same process as the first layer. For the last layer, I put the crumbs, spread, and whipped cream. Right here, I'm placing in a cup boba straw so that way the layers won't slide off and just break apart while I'm frosting it. I normally don't do this unless it's tall cake with a lot of layers. Right here, I'm just scraping off the excess and I'm adding another layer of frosting for the crumb coat. Right here, using my offset spatula to get everything nice and even. A bench scraper really helps with tall cake that has thick frosting. I put my cake in the freezer for about 10 minutes so that way the frosting keeps all the crumbs in place. Then I put some tape on the board and the turntable so that way it won't slide around while I put on the last layer of frosting. A bench scraper is really helpful for this part. Right here, I'm scraping off the top with an offset spatula. The easiest way to get a smooth cake is to put on a frosting where all the divots are and smooth it out. For the drips of the cake, I got Biscoff spread and I just melted it. I just put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I was pretty skeptical and I didn't want to ruin the smooth cake I just frosted, so I tested it on a glass. This is also what I do for a lot of drips to see if the consistency is right. I just put a little spoonful on and spread it around. After I was done with that, I piped 6 circles in the middle of the cake. On my first attempt, I piped it super uneven, so I had to go back and redo that. Before I was finished, I put some more Biscoff crumbs on top of the swirls. And here's the final result. I was super happy how it turned out.